very lovable.
Good day, Governor. And he's such a...
He just sits there and waits for it to be over. You're very serious, Hoover. You are very serious. He's just like, oh my gosh, let me go.
There's his little eyes. He's got
Let
such...
me go.
Let me go. I don't want to be filmed.
You're shy, Governor. Oh, no. Hi, this is Amy Hyatt with SLC Dog Sitter. These are our newest clients. This is Zelda. She is a 6-year-old Maltese Jack Russell mix. And this is Hoover. He's a Lopso Opso King Charles Cavalier mix. And they are staying with us for a week while their parents, Greg and Nadia, are in New York. And these two are actually from Australia. They just moved to Utah this year. So, hope to hear from you soon. Give us a call at SLC Dog Sitter. Thanks.